Okay, so now we know what these 5 metacognitive errors are. We can use this information to help us overcome procrastination. So there's a couple different things we can do. So the first one is we can double or triple the amount of time that we predict a task will take. So if we have a paper due and it's due in a week and we might think it's going to take us 2 hours to do it, well then we estimate that it'll take 4 to 6 hours to do. And that usually is a lot more accurate and will help us get things done on time. So that's one thing. Another thing that we can do is just to start keeping track of how long things take us to finish. So when we have a paper, whether, whatever length it is, keep track of how long each part of that paper takes you to do. How long does it take to do the title page? How long does it take to do the bibliography? How long does it take to actually do a rough draft or an outline? And then how long does it take to actually write the paper? So keep track of how long each one of those tasks take, and it will help us make better predictions in the future. And then finally, a third thing that we can do is to remember that our emotions are not tied up into the quality of our work. So even if we don't feel like doing a task, that doesn't mean that we're going to do bad work if we work on a task. So, by finishing a paper, even when we don't feel like it, that will still produce good results. So those are just 3 things that we can do with this information. Basically, all of them involve, kind of keeping track of your predictions and how accurate your predictions are.